Here are 2 ways to enjoy curry in a hurry. Here's a fragrant way to kick up your rice noodle stir fry. Let's make Singapore curry noodles. To make this recipe, you'll need rice noodles that have been soaked and drained, sliced beef, onions, an egg, green onions, carrots, soy sauce, curry powder, salt, sesame oil, cooking oil, white and black pepper. Start by heating your wok to medium heat. Add in some cooking oil. For cooking oil, you want a neutral oil without a lot of flavor. Add in your beef and cook until about halfway done. You'll want a nice little sear on part of your beef. Now that your beef is halfway done, you'll want to add in your onions. Give that a stir. And your egg. Add in your carrots. And your green onions. Give that a quick stir and add in your noodles. You'll want to make sure your noodles are well drained so that the water doesn't make it stick to the wok. Add in 1 spoon of curry powder. Add in your soy sauce. Salt, sesame oil, and pepper. Once your noodles soften, turn off your heat. Give it one last stir. And it's time to plate. It's called Singapore curry noodles because in Singapore there are a lot of Indian influences, and this combines the best of Cantonese stir-fry rice noodles with those Indian flavors. Today, let's kick up our fried rice game. Let's make pineapple chicken curry fried rice. Let's get to it. To make this recipe, you'll need sliced chicken breasts, cooked rice, either cold or warm, an egg, soy sauce, green onions, carrots, sliced onions, pineapple. You can either use fresh or canned, cut into tidbits, salt, sesame oil, and white or black pepper. First, make sure your wok or your nonstick skillet is totally dry. Add in a little bit of canola oil or neutral flavored oil, and add in your chicken. You'll want to cook this chicken until it's about 2/3 of the way done. Our chicken is about 2/3 of the way done, so we're going to add in our onions. Next, we're going to add in our egg. Add in your carrots and your rice. When you're cooking your rice, you want to imagine that every grain gets seared on multiple sides. Add in your pineapple and your green onions, and add in a teaspoon of curry powder. Add in about a teaspoon of salt. Soy sauce, sesame oil, and a sprinkle of pepper. When your fried rice is toasted and heated through, turn off your heat and it's time to plate. And that's our pineapple chicken curry fried rice. It's so fragrant, it's got a nice savory flavor and sweet from the pineapple. This is good as a side dish or as a main entree for dinner. I hope you'll give this a try. Leave a comment and let me know what you think.